many of you had asked, and I think it's a good idea, if we can salvage the V6 somehow, some way. Maybe we should make this into a ELROY fighter. I don't know. Todd said we should call her ELROY. We gotta think of some names. I would love if we can somehow save this car to put a roll cage on it, cut off the body, straighten out what it needs to be straightened out, and maybe make a crazy drag car. So we can start her up. See how she starts. All right. Tell you what, these 4.6s really sound good. Pipes, exhaust. Those are like someone trying to pry the door open. That's there was a passenger in the car that came out the other side. But it is surprising to me the car drives so well, considering it has been through a pretty good accident. But like, you know, sometimes things just kind of fall right. All right, you want to unhook that strap and back it off, and we shall go from there. You can just reverse it. Nothing really crazy you got to do. Just hop in. Are you ready? It's all exclusive footage. GoPro footage will be at Tunnel Chaser on YouTube or IG. This is tighter than the R. It's pretty tight, dude. Come on, you're falling apart. It meant so much to me. Yeah, no, put it underneath the seat. You might want to save that when it goes to the museum, the Mustang museum. All right. You want to put it in reverse? Go ahead. There you go. You were pumping the brake like you were towing it. I was like, just roll down. There you go. No. All right.
She's not gonna power brake at all.
No. Making me run out here. All right, she does what she does. It sounds so good. Sounds so good. Yeah, no, just a regular burnouts in a wrecked car.
It's so sketch.
It's sketch. It's sketch, but it's cool.
Where are we going?
That look cool. You want to take it for a drive? How your temps?
They're warming up fast, but it's still center. Where are we gonna park?
You can park it right here.
How about the dirt?
Why?
I'm gonna do a little 360.
Okay, hold on. Cut it. You're getting smoke like crazy. Yeah.
I love it.
How was it?
Beautiful. We need to fix it.
It was
ripped over all the time, dude.
It was spilling coolant all over the place. But it looked cool. All right, good work.
I love it.
It looked cool.
No, you gotta rip this down.
No, we're gonna have to. It has to have no doors.
You gotta rip it down.
Yeah, it has to have no doors.
Oh, we need to buy some land too, so we can do stupid shit all
Yeah.
the time.
Sorry, Todd.
Todd. Well, he doesn't have to worry about mowing the grass in this area.
Well, no, it was already set up. All right. This is it. Well, you baptized her by fire. That was pretty cool.
How you doing?
All right, subscribe to Tunnel Chaser. How you doing, sir? He just baptized the Wreck Mamba, or ELROY, whatever we're gonna call it. How was it? You look like you're having a blast.
I just want to go back in and keep doing it.
It seemed fun. Only reason I told you to cut it because I saw a bunch of water spilling out.
I was checking the temps as it was going through, but who knows? It might not be reading right.
No, it needs something's up with the radiator lines because like it was just catching heat really fast.
It's open.
Yeah.
It wasn't even nearly close.
Yeah, I saw it spilling. See how it was spilling everywhere?
Yeah.
So it's literally splashing.
Well, this is great though, man. It's gonna be so much freaking fun if you rip this down.
Oh yeah. No, I think it's cracked itself, like this part.
No, yeah, I agree. I'm just saying.
Like I had that part. I had that with the Mamba, so.
Yeah, there's no. StangMode, right?
Yes, sir. Hey, what's up, bro? We just got a new project car for Todd.
Yeah, I just talking.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna transplant the drivetrain to my convertible Mustang from college over there. But if they can say the V6, we're gonna turn this into a crazy drag car. Jesus. Yeah, take off all the damaged body, put roll cage in it, and I mean obviously it can't go out in the weather, but just kind of just have it all exposed and just go like a crazy dune buggy looking thing.
That'd be awesome.
So we'll say, hey man, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting
Appreciate you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. All right, thanks, brother. All right, guys, so looks good. You're excited. I can look at your face.
Let's do it again. We got any water?
No, I don't have. I left it at
I will
home.
put a giant funnel at the top. Just keep pouring water into it.
From this angle, this looks like a toy. This is when you're little and you make the toys. The only reason I'm doing this because this car is wrecked over here, so this is obviously gonna go away. I know the guys are like, how could you?
How could you
stand on the roof, dude?
How could you ruin
No respect.
There
There we go. It's time.
Here, I can stand back and maybe get you a thumbnail.
Okay. Thumb me up. And yes, I'm standing on top of a Mustang. A lot of people say, how dare you even lean on a Mustang? Well, this Wreck Mamba allows us to take a bird's eye view, which we never had before. We're sitting on top. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm actually not jumping as high as I can, I'm just scared. But it's strong. I'm so happy, I'm so excited for this build. Oh, well, thumbnail time. Let me see if I can do this good old, does that go like this?
That's actually a really good thumbnail, dude.
And you can really get an appreciation for the design here too. Like, this design is pretty crazy. And how nice is that? I think S197s are a little bit underappreciated. So definitely appreciate what this car is look wise. I
hope you enjoyed. Let's get that video in case you fall.
Oh,
let's use that in slow-mo.
Yeah, on Instagram, Tunnel Chaser.
Bank account if you want to send me any money, just send it to Tunnel Chaser.
StangMode official on Instagram.
MambaMerch.com.
MambaMerch.com. This is going down. Any other plugs? All right. It never ends. That's getting cut. See, I wanted to go through. Some of you guys had questions about what you guys might want. Yes, people want these, but they're not perfect, dude. There's some bend and flex. Like, I will take these off, but see, they're cracked. So I could say this, but you're not going to be happy because they're not perfect. Also, this whole entire trunk is going to go on the college Mamba. So I'm taking that. The bumper is not the best in the back. See, there's just scraping. So if you guys still want these, let me know. I don't mind giving them away, but there's stuff that we have to be honest with. The hood's coming to the College Mamba, maybe the front clip, so is the grill. So I know a lot of you hit me up, but these are going to be stuff I'm transplanting regardless because they are in good shape. And especially if we do go with the Leroy idea, you know, we have to still keep the shape of the S197, go from there. You know, this car does have some modifications. You can see we have cross drill front rotors. There was air intake on it. We do have some upgraded wheels. We do have pipes exhaust, and it has this nice, when I'm told, California special. This is a California special diffuser and trunk lid. You can see underneath here. I don't see anything in regard to crazy suspension setup, but I do see we could have some upgraded shock springs. Yeah, that's it. Anyways, as far as the interior is concerned, not much else to really save. We do have these little bits, you know. They seem to, he just looks like he just painted these. You can see the paint's coming off. These are like plastic dipped. He took those off. So yeah, just want to get that out there. A lot of stuff I'm going to be utilizing. But if you listen, if you really want these, like I said, they're messed up. Drop me a DM on Instagram, StangMode Official, and I can get these for you. But they are pretty much in bad shape. You can salvage them. But we'll start it up. We'll do a burnout, and then we'll take it home.